Hey everyone, it's Miss Baxter and I'm back with another student success skill. This week we're going to learn some strategies for waiting. Our goal for today is that we can wait when we need to. You're going to watch the video called Wait a Minute found on your class link. Right here are the wait strategies. The first one is watch. The second one is ask questions. The third is imagine. And the fourth one is think. You're going to learn all about these wait strategies in the video. On Wednesday, you're going to practice the wait strategies. So the first one is watch. And that's the W in the word wait. And it says, look around you. What do you see? Write or draw a list of things you see. The A in wait stands for ask questions. What do you wonder? What do you want to know? The I means imagine. What can you imagine? What do you see in your future? What would you explore? That is the I in wait. And the T is think. Think of a fun story. Make a plan about something you want to do. Make a list of as many animals as you can think of. And you're going to practice using these strategies at home. And we're going to practice using these strategies in the classroom. And finally, on Friday, you're going to think of a situation where you have to wait for something. You're going to use one of the wait strategies to help you. You're going to draw a picture of how you would wait. And when we come back into the classroom, these are going to be some strategies that we can use even here and while you're at home.